What's up everyone? My name is Jay and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. Yes, as you know that I'm a cancer survivor, CA rectum cancer survivor with the permanent colostomy, and yeah, I have made a lot of videos on ostomy related guide videos, my cancer survival stories, my vlog, my personal videos. So in this video I will be sharing about my experience of chemotherapy and what was the doses and what kind of how many cycles I went through. All the things we will discuss in this video, so please watch this video till end. Yes, I think you will get a lot of information in this video, so please stay tuned. So yes, I too have taken chemotherapy and I got my treatment in 2013 and currently it is 2022. So yes, it was a very tough experience of chemotherapy. So before you think that yeah, I'm a genuine cancer patient or not, so I will be posting all that reports in my description so that you can have a look what were my chemotherapy doses and my cancer biopsy report and everything. I will try to put that in a Google Drive so you can download that and see that. So let's start about chemotherapy experience. So I would say that I got my treatment in 2013, and since it was advanced stage CA rectum case, so my doctor had suggested me to take chemotherapy and radiation before surgery also. Yes, they told me to take chemo tablets and radiation simultaneously. Yes, the most common side effect of a chemotherapy is the vomiting one, the nausea one. Yes, whenever you take that medicine into your body or like you consume that chemotherapy drugs in your body, nausea and vomiting is the most common side effects which most of the cancer patients suffer. Like even though they don't have a CA rectum case or different cancer, like this is the most common side effects like everyone goes through when they take chemotherapy drugs. So vomiting is the one, like whenever you will feel like eating, that feeling will be most, like you will feel like vomiting. You won't get exact vomiting, but that watery thing which may cause vomit will always there in your mouth. And yeah, medicines will be prescribed by the doctor to avoid all these things, but definitely you will feel, and this will go on till your chemotherapy cycles end. So no matter you take medicine or not, that feeling will always be there, that vomiting feeling will always be there. And one more side effect which is always seen in chemotherapy in most of the cancer patient is that they lose hair, like they become bald. But I would say in my case or in CA rectum case or CA colon case, when you take chemotherapy drugs you won't get that full hair loss. You might get few hair loss but not you will not become bald, at least in my case. And I have seen a lot of patients with a CA rectum, they don't get bald, like the hair is not get affected because of this drug. I don't know like what kind of a drug is there in different cancer, but surely you will not become bald, so don't be worried. You will not lose your hair in this chemotherapy. So this is the one thing which is different from other cancer drugs or other chemotherapy drugs, that most of the cancer chemotherapy drugs causes hair loss, but in CA rectum you won't, at least my experience says that. Like that will create some difficulty in eating food, but you have to eat food to stay little bit of a fitness and to maintain your body, so at least eat. So this is the most common thing, that is a vomiting. Yes. Second most common side effects of chemotherapy drugs is you will get loose motion. Yeah, this is also most common side effects, especially in ca rectum drugs, chemotherapy drugs. The drugs which are given, they normally cause lot of loose motion and constipation. This may differ, like someday you might have lot of constipation and someday you might have a loose motion. So doctor will prescribe medicine, no doubt they will give you all the things, but because of these drugs you will get loose motion, constipation, lot of heat in your body. So don't have to panic, don't have to think that this is because of your cancer or you are having some major disease. Don't think in that way. All these side effects are due to because you are taking some heavy drugs into your body. So that is difficult for the body because they kill your positive cells also. So obviously the immunity power of your body decreases during this intake of chemotherapy drugs. So that is why all these things happen, but you don't have to panic. So third symptoms you can see is that in my case what happened were that, like, my hand, all the palm and everything, color got changed, like it got little bit of a grayish color, like the silver one. So that black, in other word you can say it got black. So this thing can happen. Even your feet color can go change. Even you can get patches in your tongue, that black spot patches in your tongue. Your nails color can change. So definitely all these things will be because of a chemotherapy. This will not cause any problem because changing of color, palm, will not cause you pain or anything, but obviously that are sign of weakness or the blood is getting reduced in your body. And yeah, the drug is creating lot of reaction or whatever you can say that. But yeah, all these things will happen, and but it will not create that much problem for you. So yeah, this will happen. Another symptoms you might see is that your skin color may become little bit of a pale, or it may become dull. Yeah, this thing can be this is different. Like someone, I have seen that someone skin colors become very much fresh also, because chemotherapy, what it does, it detox the body, like it flush out everything in your body, even the bad cells and good cells. So most of the time your skin may look glowy also, but this is like unexpected, like rare, or you can say differ from patient to patient, but skin color will surely change. And your skin in the calf, on the, you can say that leg part, or you can say, or your feet, it may become loose, and it may be because the lack of blood circulation, and it may become dark also. So yeah, that are all the symptoms of chemotherapy. You don't have to worry, just try to take the food properly, and all these symptoms will go on till you finish your chemotherapy. So don't worry that what the hell is happening with me, because all these things are the side effects of a chemotherapy. So this will surely happen in the most of cancer drugs, like chemotherapy drugs. All these things surely happens. Another thing which you can see is unexpected fever, unexpected weight loss, because obviously you won't be able to eat that much in chemotherapy, so definitely you won't get weight gain. Obviously your weight will go down only, but see to that at least you maintain a proper at least maintain that minimum weight, so that you are able to uh, continue your chemotherapy drugs. Because sometimes when the weight goes very much low, doctor this stops chemotherapy drug which will not be useful for your treatment. So at least eat minimum, or at least whatever you can eat, so that you can maintain that minimum amount of a weight which is required for this treatment. But yeah, your weight will not, I'm not sure, like weight will not increase, it might remain the same but it will not increase. So finally guys, I would like to say that your body will behave very weird during chemotherapy, and you might see some unexpected thing. So don't panic, because all these things are the side effects of chemotherapy. So do whatever your doctor have advised to take the medicines in against of this chemotherapy drugs, and this is how this treatment will go. So I will say best of luck to you, and hopefully you recover very fast from your chemotherapy or from this cancer treatment. So if you have any doubt related to chemotherapy, you are most welcome to put that in comment box, and I will be making more videos on chemotherapy food and what kind of a food which I took. So please subscribe this YouTube channel Indian Ostomy Boy, and yeah, I'm signing off currently, and take care and goodbye.